Welcome to Tally Learning Hub. In our previous session, we learned how to create multiple go-downs in Tally Prime. In this session, you'll learn how to transfer inventory between go-downs. Let's say Max Electronics transfers 10 numbers of Asus 16.6-inch monitor from warehouse to in-store location. Similarly, 5 numbers of Dell 17-inch monitor are transferred from warehouse to in-store location. In Tally Prime, you can easily move your stock from one go-down or location to another using a stock journal voucher. From Gateway of Tally, press V for vouchers. Press F10 for other vouchers and select Stock Journal. Use the shortcut key Alt plus F7 to quickly access the stock journal from any voucher screen. Press F2 and mention the date. Under the source or consumption, specify details of the stock items that you want to transfer along with the source go-down from which the inventories are transferred. Select the stock item. Select the source go-down from which the inventories are transferred. I'm selecting Warehouse Go-Down. Mention the quantity that you are transferring and the rate. Press Enter and select the other items that you are transferring. Press Enter and move to the Destination or Production section. Here, specify details of the stock items and the destination go-down to which the goods are moved. You need to select the same stock item as mentioned in the source. Next, select the destination go-down, that is, in-store. Mention the quantity and rate same as in the source. Similarly, specifying the details of other stock items that are transferred. Press Enter. Mention the narration as required. Press Enter and accept the voucher. This method is suitable to record the stock transfer that has multiple destination go-downs. In case you have a single destination go-down to which the stock items need to be transferred, you got an easier way to record stock transfer. Press Ctrl plus H for change mode and select Use for inter-go-down transfer. In Destination Go-Down, select In-Store Location. Select the stock items. Next, select the source go-down of inventories that you are transferring. I'm selecting Warehouse Go-Down. Mention the quantity and rate. Similarly, select other items that are transferred. Press Enter. Mention the narration as required. Enter and accept the voucher. To print the stock transfer voucher, press Page Up, Alt plus P for Print Current. Press I for Preview. Press Alt plus Z to zoom. If you wish to print the destination go-down name appearing on the top, press Escape to go back to the print screen. C for Configure. Set Show Destination Go-Down on top of voucher to Yes. Press Escape to go back. Select Print Preview. Press Alt plus Z to zoom. Now you can see the destination name on top of the voucher. Next, let's view the stock transfer report. To view the report, press Alt plus G for Go To, type Stock Transfer, select Stock Transfer Register. Here you can see the monthly breakup of stock transfers and you can drill down to see more details. To view Transfer Analysis, press Alt plus G for Go To, type Transfer Analysis, select Stock Transfer Analysis, Stock Journal. As always, you can drill down to see more details and use the options available in F12 configuration and the side menu bar to add or change the details. Before we wind up, here is a quick recap. Recording stock transfer using a stock journal voucher. Recording inter-go-down stock transfer. Printing stock journal voucher. Viewing stock transfer analysis report.